4 hours. I washed it first of all, then I soaked it, and now I'm trying to make tiger nut juice, and then I've blended it. Look at how it looks like. Don't mind the blender because I use it to blend turmeric. That's why it looks like this. So after I've blended it, I'm going to pour it here because I want to get the juice out. So I'm going to squeeze it. I'm going to squeeze it out. Can you see the juice already? Yeah, so that's what I'm going to do for all of the tiger nuts. And then when I'm done, I'm going to show you my final results. And then I'll be telling you the health benefit of tiger nuts in my description box below. Don't forget to check it. And this is Beckenzie Naturals. You can press the bell on your YouTube so that every time I post something, it will notify you so that you can check it, because it will definitely be of help to you and to benefit you. Yes, so wait, when I'm done, I'll show you my final result. You can see the juice already. Yeah, it's very delicious and it's very healthy. Now look at my juice, look at my baby. Oh my god, look at it. I'm going to put it in small bottles and I'll put it in the freezer, so whoever wants to take it from there, and add a little bit, maybe like 1 spoon of the syrup, date palm syrup I made earlier on. It's a good combination. You can try this at home. Look at what I got after I sieved it out. I extracted the juice. This can also be used, you know. So this is my Ophio tiger nut juice. It really tastes good. I got quite a lot from it. Things are getting serious with you, gentlemen. It's so milky. Look at this. This is the date palm syrup I made. Can have it with date palm syrup. I just want to know why. It's very nice. I don't know what you want to say. So it's just all in like everything. I love you. Even now you reply. Even when you don't have nothing to give. It's really nice. So take it chilled. I'm going to put this one in the freezer. So when it is needed to be brought out. And then add my date palm syrup made by Beckenzie Naturals. Ta-da!